And you're thinking, what's their secret? It's not magic, it's injections. But in 2026, not all weight loss shots are created equal. Let's break down what actually works and what you need to know. Today's weight loss injections fall into two main groups. 1. Systemic hormonal medications, targeting hunger signals in the brain. 2. Cosmetic lipolytics, injected into fat zones for aesthetic results. Let's start with the real game changers. These are the most powerful medications in 2026. They don't just burn fat, they change how your brain experiences hunger. Semaglutide-based. Wegovy, FDA approved for weight loss. Ozempic, originally for type 2 diabetes, now used off-label for weight management. Tirzepatide-based. Zepbound and Mounjaro, dual GLP-1 and GIP action, even more potent than semaglutide. Some users lose over 20% of body weight. Liraglutide-based. Saxenda, daily injection. Older generation, but still effective. How do they work? They slow digestion, reduce cravings, and impact reward centers in the brain. But remember, they're not magic bullets. Cosmetic lipolytics aren't for obesity. They're body sculpting tools, localized injections into the belly, thighs, or chin. Direct lipolytics destroy fat cells. Indirect lipolytics boost metabolism in target areas. Think of them as precision tools, not a full solution. What's important to know in 2026, weight often returns without lifestyle changes. Studies confirm this rebound effect. Side effects are real: nausea, vomiting, GI issues, and rare pancreatic risks. Pill versions are on the rise. Oral semaglutide and orforglipron offer similar results without needles. That's the next trend. Easier access, same science. Injections can change the game, but they're just tools. They won't replace habits. They won't fix emotional eating, and they won't build a healthy system for you. The real magic? Structure, sleep, movement, whole foods. The shots might open the door, but you still have to walk through it. Disclaimer: all medications mentioned are prescription only and must be supervised by a licensed healthcare provider.